Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most popular mobile operating systems in the world, Android. If you are using a smartphone, chances are it's powered by Android. So, let's understand what Android is, its features, history, advantages, and why it's so widely used. What is Android? Android is a mobile operating system developed by Google. It is open source, which means developers and mobile companies can customize it. It is mainly designed for smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, smartwatches, and even cars. History of Android. Android Incorporated was founded in 2003 by Andy Rubin, Rich Miner, Nick Sears, and Chris White. In 2005, Google acquired Android Inc. The first commercial Android phone was HTC Dream, also called T-Mobile G1, released in 2008. Since then, Android has become the most widely used mobile OS in the world. Features of Android. 1. User-friendly interface, easy to use and customize. 2. Google Play Store, millions of apps available. 3. Multitasking, run multiple apps at the same time. 4. Customization, wallpapers, widgets, launchers, and themes. 5. Regular updates. Each Android version comes with new features. 6. Wide device support, available on budget phones to flagship devices. Android versions. Each Android version had a sweet or dessert name earlier like Cupcake, Donut, Kit Kat, Oreo, Pie, etc. Now, Google uses numbers: Android 10, Android 11, Android 12, Android 13, Android 14. The latest versions bring better security, performance, and AI-based features. Advantages of Android. Wide variety of devices, low price to premium. Huge app ecosystem. Open source and customizable. Supports multiple hardware brands: Samsung, OnePlus, Xiaomi, Oppo, etc. Where Android is used. Smartphones and tablets, smart TVs, smartwatches, Wear OS, car infotainment systems, Android Auto, home appliances, smart refrigerators, etc. So friends, that's a complete overview of Android. It's not just a mobile OS, but a complete ecosystem powering millions of devices worldwide. If you are an Android user, let me know in the comments which version you are using right now.